Hey everyone, check out the MEETPEAK 5-inch Extra Thick Inflatable Sleeping Pad for your next camping trip. This unique honeycomb design supports your pressure points while keeping you warm and away from the cold ground. You can easily inflate the mat in minutes using the convenient foot pump or a hand press. The durable 40D nylon material is fully waterproof and built to withstand the most extreme outdoor conditions. Weighing only about 2 pounds, this compact mat folds down small enough to fit inside your hiking backpack. It is the perfect companion for backpacking, car traveling, or even a relaxing day at the beach. Each set includes a portable carry bag and repair kits to ensure your gear stays in top shape. Thanks for hanging out with us. If this product caught your eye, there's a direct link and more info waiting for you in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss our daily finds. See you in the next one.